Budget-friendly earbuds are significantly getting better even if they're not able to fully replicate the audio quality of the premium ones. For the overall feature, these earbuds pack solid performance, and such an earbud we have today is the TOZO NC7, which comes in a relatively compact size, yet offering a battery life that can surpass most high-end buds as well. Besides, you get active noise cancellation and a bunch of other exciting features with it, but how good is the sound quality for the price? And most importantly, should you be opting to get one? We've been using these buds for quite a while now, and in this video, we're going to be sharing our experience with them. At first glance, the box looks minimal and gives us an idea of how compact the earbuds are going to be. So let's see what's inside. Upon opening it, we've got the user manual to help you navigate your way around these, along with a quick tip guide and an app pairing guide, which can come in handy for those looking to make the most out of the TOZO NC7 earbuds. And of course, we cannot forget the charging essentials, and there's a very small USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable included, ensuring you're all set to power up your earbuds. Now onto the earbud tips. A total of 6 silicone gel sets, so you'll have more flexibility in choosing the perfect fit for your ears. And here we have the case, adorned with the TOZO label on top. Up front, there are 4 LED indicators that'll give you a quick glimpse of your battery percentage, and on the back, you'll spot the USB Type-C charging port. Opening the case, we are greeted with the buds themselves, and they look a bit unconventional as we speak. Alright, first things first, these earbuds are incredibly light, which is no surprise considering their incredibly small size. You'll also spot the TOZO brand name on top, accompanied by a single microphone. The buds are mostly made out of plastic with a matte finish on the exterior, which surely gives a nice first impression. Moreover, these buds come with a solid IPX6 waterproof rating, so they can withstand quite some water pressure. And wearing them for intense workouts or in the rain should not be much of a problem. Now, the buds come with touch controls on both of them, and you'll have pretty much all the controls right at your fingertips. When you get a phone call, you can tap either bud to receive or hold any of them to reject or end a call. The voice assistant can be activated with 3 quick taps, and we got the hang of it pretty easily and found them to be super convenient, surpassing our expectations already for the price. Now, let's talk about the fit. Since we've got them right here, let's show you how snugly sit in your ears. These buds are discreet and they don't stick out above your earlobes, allowing you to comfortably lay down on a pillow or the floor without having to worry about air fatigue. It's time to check out the sound quality and see how much it can deliver. TOZO is equipped with ORI-GX 2.0 tech that enhances vocals and mid-range for an immersive sound. In our everyday listening, we found these earbuds delivering a decent sound experience with proper vocals, mids, and highs. Also, the treble was finely detailed without any harsh or piercing audio, and we did not face any ear fatigue even after listening for longer hours. As for the noise cancellation, which we did not expect at such a lower price by the way, comes with 3 layers of hybrid ANC system. An outward-facing microphone that counters external sounds, an inward-facing microphone that cancels internal sounds, and ear caps that block 90% of external noises. During testing, they blocked out most background noises like bus or plane engines and chatty commuters, making it absolutely perfect for travel. As for phone calls, we found the ambient noise modes working effectively, reducing up to 35 decibels of external noise. The dual noise-cancelling earbuds are perfect for maintaining clear call quality in moderately noisy environments. However, while trying it out, we noticed that the noise reduction tech is not very successful in muting the loud background sounds. TOZO uses an optical sensor for automatic play and pause, making for a seamless listening experience. These earbuds come with advanced Bluetooth 5.3 and it minimizes latency, especially with its low latency mode. Watching movies and videos on social platforms is completely lag-free thanks to audio synchronization between apps and earbuds. However, it might not be the best option for highly competitive games. TOZO buds boast an IPX6 rating for sweat and water resistance, and from our testing, we found them to be ideal for workouts and outdoor usage. They have a superb level of breathability so that they don't trap heat and you don't sweat more while using them at the gym. The TOZO Sound app complements the TOZO NC7 earbuds, enhancing your listening experience with a user-friendly interface, clear battery level indicators, and stylish animations. It offers 6 ambient noise modes, including noise cancellation for immersion, transparency mode for awareness, and reduced wind mode for outdoor activities. Custom pattern allows you to personalize noise reduction. But wait, there's more. The true treasure is tucked away in the select more sound effect options, unveiling a rich collection of 23 presets complete with a customizable equalizer. The standard feature of this app is the ability to personalize earbud controls to suit your preferences, and additionally, the app provides a firmware update option to ensure your earbuds stay up to date. From a full charge, the NC7 will offer a solid 18 hours of playtime, and with the case, it ramps up to an impressive 72 hours. Now that's quite a feat. So, do we recommend it? Well, we're firmly in favor of these buds. They're super convenient for tossing into a purse or gym bag without having to take up much space, and the selection of 5 fantastic ambient modes via the app is a standout feature, while they deliver a punchy bass that's especially great for music lovers. They even support wireless charging with G-Charge. The battery life is as impressive as it can get in this budget, and as for the price, it's reasonable for the value you're getting. Will you be getting the TOZO NC7 for yourself? Do let us know, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.